Welcome to our today's video, where we delve into the world of chest infections. These pesky ailments can strike at any time, but they tend to rear their heads more often during the chilly autumn and winter months. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please click on the like button. While most cases are mild, it's important to note that some chest infections can be life-threatening. In this video, we'll equip you with the knowledge you need to recognize the signs and manage these infections effectively. Let's explore the primary symptoms of chest infections and discover some powerful home remedies to help you on the road to a speedier recovery. Chest infections manifest in two primary forms: acute bronchitis, often triggered by viruses, and pneumonia, typically caused by bacterial infections. Although both types share some common symptoms, pneumonia tends to bring more intense discomfort, while acute bronchitis symptoms are generally milder and typically resolve within a week. If you find yourself grappling with shortness of breath, localized chest pain during inhalation, a high fever, or a pervasive sense of severe illness, it may be an indication of pneumonia. Spotting chest infection symptoms. Early detection of chest infection symptoms is pivotal for prompt treatment. Keep an eye out for the following telltale signs. Persistent cough, coughing up yellow or green phlegm, wheezing or shortness of breath, chest pain or tightness, high temperature or fever, rapid heartbeat, headache, muscle aches and pains, general malaise, tiredness. Home remedies for managing chest infections. While it's crucial to seek medical advice for severe cases, there are several effective home remedies that can ease chest infection symptoms. Rest and hydration. Give your body the rest it craves for a faster recovery. Staying well hydrated helps loosen mucus, making it easier to clear. Pain relief. Over-the-counter pain relievers like paracetamol or ibuprofen can provide relief from fever, headaches, and muscle pains. Elevate your head. Improve mucus clearance by propping up your head and chest with extra pillows while sleeping. Inhalers. If you have asthma or another lung condition, use your prescribed inhaler to relax airway muscles and ease breathing. Lemon and honey. Prepare a soothing hot lemon and honey drink by boiling water, squeezing half a lemon into a mug, remove seeds, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, and stirring well. Sip this comforting mixture while it's warm to alleviate chest discomfort. Gargle with salty water. Relieve throat irritation and reduce coughing by gargling with warm, salty water. Chest infections can vary in severity, but early symptom recognition and the right home remedies can make a significant difference in your recovery journey. Remember, for severe or worsening chest infections, consult a healthcare professional promptly and follow their guidance for the best course of treatment. Meanwhile, these home remedies are here to provide you with comfort and relief on your path to healing. Feel free to share this valuable info with your friends and family. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Join us on the journey to a healthier, more vibrant you.